We'll give you the cue via the monitor, from the monitor board. Okay? All right? And then when that CD plays, when it goes to the low drone, don't turn the low drone down, leave it up. Just make sure my mic is above it, because I'll be bringing Peter on stage. And as long as the CD player isn't on repeat, we'll be perfect. Thanks.
So there'll be a stagehand on the stage left who'll be on ClearCom, and that's, you guys are entering from that side, so he would be the individual to give the cue to.
Okay. All right, great. Thank you. Thanks a lot. All right. So imagine that it's already been, you've gotten the cue either via the announcer or side stage. And also, to whoever it is that brought in our backdrop, that is when the backdrop will come down, is when the intro CD comes in. Yeah, you have like a full minute to bring the backdrop into place.
Is Adam there?
Yeah.
Okay. Take it out.
Okay. Okay, you go ahead and let the CD run.
We're in the forest.
Okay, Barbara, what are you doing?
Do you want to tell me?
Questions.
Hang on, we have the intro to do. Yeah, you can let it rip.
Just going to do the intro.
They sold 80 million records, 10 top 10s, 20 top 20s. One of the top 3 bands of the British invasion. They are Herman's Hermits, starring Herman himself, Peter Noone!
Who thinks he says top 2 different ways? When you say top the first time, you say top, and then the second time you say tap.
Which way do you want it?
Top.
Top. Top. Got it.
Have you done that?
Yes.
Yes, young lady. Do you have a question? Go ahead.
Hello?
Can she play a riff on your drums, Dave? Come on up. Watch out though, because we have no insurance for you. Once you stand on the stage, you're not insured.